Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So addition of unlike fractions. How to add this unlike fraction that we're going to discuss here now. Okay. So look at here. Addition of unlike fraction means there will be given any two unlike fractions, and that we should add. Uh, it's just like a like fraction. Okay. But look at here. Its denominator are different. Those fractions which are given here, like 3/5 and 1/4, the denominator is not same, so we can't add it directly. Okay, we can't add it directly. So what we have to do here to add them, it's just like a comparison. Okay, in comparison also, at first what we did, how to compare by making a like denominator or like fractions, that we learn. So in this addition of unlike fraction also, first of all we have to make their denominator same, and then we should add them. Okay, like one is 3/5 and another is 1/4. So to add them, look at here. Look, this is your question. Add means there may be and or plus. Okay, in middle there may be and or plus. So look at here by its instruction. Its instruction is add means we should do the addition. So now look, their denominator are different. That means we should make their denominator same. So to make the denominator same, what we will do? We need to find the LCM, right? So what is the LCM of this 5 and 4? Somebody, can you tell me? Unmute your microphone and tell me, okay? What is the LCM of this
20.
5 and 4? Okay, 20. So how to find that LCM? Is there any confusion regarding LCM? No, yeah. So to find the LCM, look, what you have to do? Simply write the table. Like if you have to find the LCM of 5 and 4, write the table of 5. Suppose 5 one table is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, in that way. 25. Or write table of 4 as well. 4 one table is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, right? 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So which is the common number in both? Which is the smallest common number in both? 20 is in both or not? This 20 is in both, right? That means LCM is what? That is a 20. LCM is 20. In that way we'll do. Okay, your LCM is what? Here, that is 20. Okay, now let's find the LCM. Or you can do this by using their pictorial form also. Okay, there are two methods. This pictorial form, maybe lengthy one also sometime. Okay, because fraction may not be the simplest form on fraction. That may be a little bit complex fraction also. So look at here. Okay, how to add from the picture also. Once look at here. Look, this 3/5 on picture is here once first. Okay, for the concept, look at here. Okay, so this 3/5, this is the diagram for 3/5. That means this figure is sliced it into the 5 parts, and 3 of them are shaded here. And another, look, 1/4 means the same size figure is sliced it into the 4 parts, and one of the part is shaded there. Okay, one of the part is shaded there. So now what is the concept is, look, our LCM is what? 5 and 4 LCM is 20. So that means we have to make 20 piece for both of the figure. The piece of the figures are not equal. Okay, that first figure is divided into 5 parts, second is divided into 4 parts. If their LCM is 20, we have to divide both of the figure into 20 equal part. So how can we divide this first figure into 20 part? Look, it is sliced it into vertically. So how many horizontal pieces we have to make its 20 parts for this figure? Can you tell me how many horizontal line we have to draw, or how many horizontal piece we have to make here 20 equal box? Can you guess it? How many? Yes, 4. 4, yeah. Okay, I'm telling 4, right? Good. So if you make here 4 horizontal lines, 3 horizontal line or 4 pieces, then look, it will be a 20 small boxes or not. If you make here 4 piece or 4 horizontal pieces, then it will be what? 20 pieces. And for second figure, how many vertical line you have to make?
5.
5. Good. 5 vertical pieces. Okay, line will be 4. Okay, 5 vertical pieces if you make here, then that is 20 pieces. Now look, both have the same number of pieces or not, then only we can add it. Okay, if total will be same, then only we can compare them, or we can add them, or we can subtract them. So in this both figure, how many parts are added now? Total how many small parts are added? Tell me. In first, how many are added?
12.
12. And second?
5.
5.
So total how many are added?
17.
That means 17 out of what? Out of 20, right? Both have got 20 piece, means 17 are added out of 20. Okay, that is the for the concept. Look, from the pictorial form also we can add them. Look, in first 12 are added, in second 5 are added. That means total 17 are added out of what? Out of 20 pieces. Okay, total is 20 in both, so 20 will write. Or mathematically what we can do is, look, your LCM is 20, just like that comparison. Okay, so make both one denominator 20 now. Look, one is 5, another is 4. So for 5, by which you have to multiply to make here 20? Tell me. 5
4.
means, yeah, and for 4, by which you have to multiply? 4?
5.
5. That means first fraction you should multiply by 4, right? 3 by 5 you should multiply by 4. In numerator also, in denominator also. Second fraction you should multiply it by what? 5. Why we should do that? To make denominator 20. Okay, look, 5 4 it will be 20. So if you multiply denominator by 4, numerator also should be multiplied by 4. Or here 4 5 it will be 20. So numerator also should be multiplied by 5. That means, look, if denominator is same, now you can combine the numerator, write the product. Okay, 3 4 12, 5 4 20, 1 5 5, 4 5 20. So now what is the result? Just add them. 12 plus 5 is 17 by 20. In that way you can do. Look, this is the result, right? In this way you have to add them. Did you got the concept? What we should do? Look at here. Okay, first we have to make here same denominator. For that we need to find the LCM of the denominator. If your LCM is 20, that means you have to make 20 on both of the fraction one denominator. If denominator will be same, we'll combine the denominator. Okay, we should not add the denominator. All right, Elvin, anything?
Sir, do you have to draw the figure?
A figure also you can draw for the concept. Okay, once let's copy this. Once let's copy this. How to add this now? One is given there in form of that mixed numeral, another is given here in improper fraction, right? So how to add these fractions? And look at here. Okay, so to add these fractions, what we will do is, first of all, okay, first of all here, let's write in solution and copy the question. So here also we will have two methods. Directly we can add it also, means by separating their whole number in a fractional part, we can add whole number, or we can add fractional part, or we can convert this mixed numeral into improper fraction, and we can add two improper fraction also. We'll have the two methods. Okay, for this, look at here, I'll do both of the methods. Okay, so first method is, okay, let's separate the whole number. Look at here, I have separated the whole number 2, right? It is 2 whole 3 by 4, so I separate 2, and 3 by 4 and 7 by 6 I'm going to add here separate. Okay, both are what? Fractional part. So to add the fractional part, it is just like above. Okay, just like above means previously we have added two fractions, so just add like them. Or to don't do anything, means find the LCM of this 4 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Can you tell me? What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Find it, please. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? I got the message from Adriti. Other
12.
12. Okay, good. Rian Moharjan, 24 is also the common multiples, but that is not a least one. Okay, so that is not a LCM. So your LCM is what? 12. In table of 4 also it comes 12. In table of 6 also it comes 12. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. And 6 also, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is in both of the number one table. So LCM is 12. Now both fraction part one denominator, let's make 12 now. For 2, don't do anything. Okay, that is already a whole number. We'll add at last only. Now for fractional part only, make their denominator 12. So for 4 also multiply it and make denominator 12. For 6 also multiply it by any number and make it 12. So 4 means it will be 12. For 4 by which you have to multiply to make 12? 4 3s are. And for 6?
2.
6 2s are. But that means for 3 by 4 multiply by 3 on both numerator and denominator. Okay, check with denominator but multiply for numerator as well. You have to check for denominator but need to multiply for both of the okay part, means numerator and denominator both should be multiplied. Or like 7 by 6 is there, that means like 6 2s are, it will be 12, means both number have to multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12 means numerator also should be multiplied by 2. So look at here now, find the product. You can do it, right? 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12. So now let's add them. Add the fractional part. Okay, 2 keep it separate and add the fractional part, means add the numerator. 14 plus 9 is what? That is 23. And denominator is same, 12 and 12 means write only one time. You know the rules, right? Why we have to do this? Okay, so now look, if you got the improper fraction here, convert them into mixed numerals. Okay, always. We won't leave our answer as a improper fraction. Either we'll write that as a proper. If that is proper, okay, fine. If that is the improper one, then we need to convert that into the mixed numerals. So what is the mixed numeral for 23 by 12? Can you tell me? What is the mixed numeral for 23 by 12?
3 by 11.
How many whole? How to do that? 23 should be divided by 12, right? Are you saying the whiteboard? Yes, are you saying it? 12 how means 23? 12? 1s are 12, right? So divide it in that way. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 11. That means that quotient is always a whole number. Okay, 1 is a whole number here and remainder is a numerator, and this 12 is a what? Denominator, because 12 was as a denominator previously also. Yeah, so look, 1 whole 11 by 12. From this 23 by 12 you got 1 whole 11 by 12. So write that, means look, this is a improper fraction, right? So convert this into mix. Now look, you can see here 2 whole number part. Okay, now let's add them. So that will be your result. 2 plus 1 is what? 3 whole 11 by 12. In this way you can do. That is the first method. Here what we did, we separate the whole number and we have added the fractional part. Okay, and at last, if we get the improper fraction, we turn this into the mixed numeral and we have added the that whole number again, right? Okay, similarly, these same questions we can do by another method also. Once look at this. Okay, another method. So look here, what we will do is at first we'll convert this mixed numeral into the improper. It is a mix. Let's convert it into the improper. So what will be the improper fraction for this? 2 whole 3 by 4. What is the improper fraction for this? Can you tell me? This 2 whole 3 by 4. How to convert this? into improper 2 whole 3 by 4. Look, you have 2 whole 3 by 4. So how to convert this into improper? We learned this, right? Okay, Sabita have come in there 11 by 4. So we need to multiply denominator and whole number, and we have to add this numerator on this result. Then like 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Okay, 11 by 4. Maybe 11 by 4. Okay, Corin, that is exactly 11 by 4. So multiply denominator and whole number and add the numerator. So that will be the numerator, and denominator won't be changed. Okay, so 4 was the denominator, here also it will be same. But in numerator, what it will come? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, in that way. First, convert this. Convert that. Okay. Mix numeral into improper. Look, 2 whole 3 by 4. Convert it into improper. Now let's add them just like previously. Means find the LCM. You know this, right? And make the both denominators same. For 4 by which you have to multiply again to make here 12. For first fraction by which you have to multiply in numerator and denominator. Tell me. Other, by which we have to multiply here? Don't copy now. Okay, first listen, try to understand first. I'll let you to copy. Okay, so tell me the answer, whatever I ask here. By which you have to multiply to make here 12 for the 4. 4 means a 12. This other, just few of you have comment, have given the comment. Okay, look, yeah, good. 4 3s are 12 means numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 3, right? And for another second fractional part, need to multiply by 2. Good. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So if you multiply denominator by 3, numerator also by 3. This you know, right? Okay, so now find the product and add them. Add the numerator. What it will be? Add the numerator. Let's add the numerator now. (33 plus 14 is what? That is 47. 47, right? 47 by 12. So now again convert that into the mix. Okay, now look, this is an improper. We won't leave our answer as an improper. Okay, so if you got the improper fraction, convert them into the mixed fraction. So what is the result now? What you will get? Again same result you will get, right? Just divide like previously. Previously we learned how to divide for this 23 by 12, right? So here also let's divide for 47 by 12. 47 divides it by 12. So what you will get? 47 if you divide by 12. 47 divided by 12. 12 how many are 47? How many times you can divide for 47 by 12? 12? Yeah. 3s are, right? Not 4s are. 12 4s are is 48 and 47 is smaller than 48. So we can't divide 4 times. So 12 3s are 36. And what is the remainder now? What's the remainder? 11. Okay. 11 is the remainder. That means what? What is your fraction now? 47 by 12 means 3 whole. Your remainder is 11. So that will come as a numerator, right? And 12. Go clockwise. Okay, like clockwise. 3 whole 11 by 12 clockwise. Go in this direction to get the answer for the mixed fraction. So look, then what is your answer? From both method you got the same answer or not? 3 whole 11 by 12. So look, both of the methods are same. Means you can separate the whole number also. and you can add the fractional part, and at last you can add that whole number, or you can convert that mixed numerals into improper fraction, and at last again if you got the improper you can divide them, or you can convert that fraction into mixed numeral. That is the process to add the any two, like mixed fraction or improper fraction. You can do any method, okay, that both may be mixed also sometime, or both may be improper also. Both improper means like the second method, yeah, you can do, or first method also you can do. Any method you can follow here. So is there is any confusion? Look at here, okay, once write the table of 4, table of 6. What is the table of 6? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. Table of 8. So what is the common in all three? That will be the LCM. Then let's make all the denominators same and find the, okay, make the same denominator, then only add them. Okay, Marcus, anything?
So may I tell the answer?
Yeah.
53 by 24.
Okay. If you got the numerator larger, then divide it, okay? Look at here. Okay. Look, all make the 24 now. 4 6 are 24, so both by 6. 6 4 are 24, so both by 4. 8 3 are 24, so both by 3. Now find the product. You add them. You can do it, right? 59 by 24. So now if you got 59 by 24, now divide it, okay? Divide 8. Supriya, anything?
Sir, I'm confused in this and down one this 3 into 6 1 method.
Here, look, you have to make denominator 24. 4, how many is it will be 24? That is the question. 4, how many is it is 24. 4, if you multiply by 6, it is 24 or not? So numerator also should be multiplied by same number. डिनोमिनेटरलाई जतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौ न्युमिनेटरलाई पनि के गर्नु पर्यो त्यतिले नै मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो. So 6 how many is 24? 6 4 is 24. So numerator also should be multiplied by 4. 8 how many is 24? 8 3 is 24. So numerator also should be multiplied by 3. 8 3 is so up also by 3. Anyway, you have to make the denominator 24. Okay, to make the denominator 24, by which number you will multiply for denominator? By the same number you have to multiply for numerator as well. Did you got it? Supriya, time is also over, right?
Yes,
got-
sir.
Okay, so if there is any confusion, then you can ask me. Otherwise, if you have completed, you can leave classes. We'll do this much. Next day we'll learn the subtraction, then only I'll provide you the assignment. Okay, okay, if you have completed, you can leave. You can leave now, but copy this, okay?